In this lesson, we're going to work more in the mouth vent area. In this case, we want to make some more indentations in here. But the way we created the mouth vent was kind of tedious. Trimming out the area, using an offset surface, creating ruled surfaces, and then doing the multiple trim. I'll show you what might be considered an easier way. Boxes. Let's go through those again. The selection boxes in this case are the direction, cap end, delete the original faces, and knit result. Now, if we look at the end product, we notice we've got a problem. We've got an extra face in here that we don't really want or need. Let's turn off the sketch that we don't need anymore. So in this case, what I'll do is just use the delete face feature, select this, make sure that we have delete selected and not anything else, and then say OK. Now this is going to cause a slight problem for us later on, but we'll be able to work around that. Notice that we had the 15-degree draft on this, and so this edge is not going to be right on the symmetry plane. And so we'll have to fill that in with a boundary surface later on.